How to play YouTube in background while using other apps. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to play YouTube in background while using other apps. In order to play YouTube in background while using other apps, this feature is actually available if you have a premium YouTube account. Otherwise, there is no such option to play your YouTube application in the background. So then to begin with, I'll be showing you one of the alternative and easiest way to play YouTube video on the background without having a premium account. So then first of all, you need to long press on your YouTube application. After that, go to the app info page. Once you're on this page, scroll down and go to open by default. Right over here, go ahead and click on open supported link. Make sure that do not allow apps to open a link. After that, go to other section, that is supported links. Once again, you need to click on. After you've made changes with your default, now go back to the home page. Now you'll need to open a YouTube application from the web browser. So open up a web browser. On the search box, type in youtube.com and make sure that you're already logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, this is how it's gonna look like. So what you'll have to do is basically, after you're logged into your YouTube account, you need to click on the three dot icon and go ahead and enable desktop site. After that, you need to select the particular video that you wish to actually play it on your. Consider this is the particular background video that I want to play it on my background. So once you've done that, you'll need to tap on the three dot icon once again, enable desktop site. After that, you'll need to go back to the home page, and over here you'll need to scroll down a bit, and here you'll be able to see your YouTube video. You'll be able to play your YouTube video in the background. Apart from that, what else you can do is you can also use this kind of feature. If you have an Android device, then what else you can do is you can just go open up your YouTube application. Let's consider it. Now play any video that you wish to. So what you'll have to do is you need to exit. After that, you'll need to open other application or the app that you want to use. Let's consider this one. You'll need to open up your background application. After that, you need to just click on it, tap on the YouTube icon or maybe the icon of the app, and click on split screen. Once you've done that, now you'll need to select the particular application that you wish to use it. So as you can see that you can play a YouTube video as well as you can just do other thing as well on your application. In this way, you can play YouTube in background while using other apps. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.